For 41 days, a nation of 90 million people has been almost entirely cut off from the global internet. Since January 8th, the Iranian government has engaged in what experts call the most sophisticated digital isolation in history. But despite the kill switch, the streets are far from silent. Today, we're breaking down the three massive forces colliding in Iran right now: a nationwide uprising, a catastrophic economic collapse, and a nuclear ultimatum that could change the map of the Middle East. What started in late December 2025 as a protest over bread prices and inflation has evolved into a movement for regime change. Activist groups report that over 7,000 people have been killed in just the last month, to keep the world from seeing. The regime has deployed black box detention sites in official warehouses, where thousands are held without record. Interestingly, while the government hunts for Starlink dishes on rooftops, the protests have spread to traditionally loyal areas, signaling a crack in the regime's core support. While the streets burn, diplomats are meeting in Geneva. Yesterday, February 17th, marked the second round of high-stakes talks between Iran and the US, mediated by Oman. The tension is at a boiling point. Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei just gave a defiant speech, rejecting US demands to halt uranium enrichment, calling deterrent weapons essential. Meanwhile, President Donald Trump has issued a clear red line: stop the enrichment and the crackdown, or face the consequences. With 2 US aircraft carriers currently in the region, the shadow war with Israel is threatening to become a direct conflict. The true engine of this unrest is economic exhaustion. Inflation is reportedly hitting 60%. And sanctions were snapped back in late 2025. And the recent capture of Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro has severed one of Iran's last economic lifelines. The Red